Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Quicken Simplifi personal finance and budgeting app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Quicken Simplifi is a personal finance and budgeting app designed to help users manage their money more efficiently. It brings together all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, into one dashboard for real-time tracking. The app automatically categorizes your expenses, monitors your cash flow, and helps you stay organized with custom budgets, spending watch lists, and savings goals. It's available on both iOS and Android and syncs securely with most major financial institutions. The app's main feature is its real-time budgeting system. Simplifi gives you a clear overview of what you can spend each month by tracking your income, fixed bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses. You can also set personalized alerts, create watch lists to control spending in specific areas, and track long-term savings progress with detailed insights. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, accurate spend categorization, and helpful dashboards that simplify financial planning. The ability to track all accounts in one place, along with monthly cash flow reports, helps users make more informed decisions. The app is particularly helpful for beginners who want a guided budgeting experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Simplifi requires a paid subscription after the trial period, which may not appeal to everyone. Some users also report occasional syncing delays with certain banks or issues with automatic categorization. Advanced investors may find it limited compared to more complex financial tools. In summary, the Quicken Simplifi app may be worth using if you want a simple, organized, and visually clear way to track spending, manage budgets, and monitor your financial health. However, if you prefer free budgeting tools or need advanced investment features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.